Edo State Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo don talk say the administration dey committed to give affordable and better education to the people of the state. The governor yarned this one for the 49th and 50th convocation ceremony of the University of Benin, wey shele on Saturday, 23rd November 2024. Governor Okpebholo, wey dey represented by Deputy Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa, used the occasion to reassure the people say the state government dey work hard to provide qualitative and affordable education. E come explain say dem don already start the renovation and reconstruction of schools wey don spoil, especially for the basic education sector of the state education system.
As a government, our administration is committed to providing affordable and qualitative education to our people. We have already initiated this process by embarking on the renovation and reconstruction of dilapidated schools and structures in the basic education subsector of the state educational ecosystem. This initiative is a critical component of our 5-point agenda for the new Edo, a vision made possible by the mandate given to us by the good people of Edo State.
The Chancellor of the University of Benin, His Royal Majesty Professor James Ayatse, the Pro-Chancellor and Chemo Governing Council Professor Shaibu Umaru, and the Vice-Chancellor Professor Lillian Salami come praise the institution for the infrastructure investment wey don improve teaching and learning even with all the challenges we dem face. They come to talk say,
I acknowledge and commend the patience and resilience of the Nigerian people and appreciate their kind understanding of the global economic trajectories that dictates government decisions and policies currently. While recognizing that the times are hard for families, the federal government will continue to demonstrate its commitment to the steady progress of the education sector by its actions and programs.
For the desired result of producing highly skilled and competent manpower to drive the socio-economic will of the country to be achieved, funding has to be increased and on a sustainable basis to meet the needs of institutions.
The University of Benin represents an important force in the education development of this great country. In the past 54 years, the institution has invested in men and infrastructure to ensure quality teaching and learning to produce high-quality graduates who will be responsive to the needs of our society.
Our Tory person Omo Ikayere reports say for the ceremony, 20,630 graduates collect higher degrees, including 297 PhDs, 290 master degrees, and 527 postgraduate diplomas. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesali, TMC TV News.